Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer funds between Coinbase accounts. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to send cryptocurrency to another Coinbase user, ensuring a smooth and efficient transaction. We'll cover everything from initiating the transfer to confirming its completion, highlighting the benefits of using Coinbase's internal system. Get ready to learn how to move your digital assets with ease and confidence, making the most of your Coinbase experience. To begin, open your Coinbase app and tap the Send button. You can then select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Next, enter the recipient's email address or phone number. If they have a Coinbase account, the transfer will be instant and free. You'll then input the amount you want to send, either in crypto or your local currency. This method makes sending crypto to friends and family incredibly straightforward. Before finalizing, you'll see a preview screen summarizing your transaction. It's crucial to review all the details, including the recipient's information and the exact amount of cryptocurrency. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy, as crypto transactions are generally irreversible. Once you're confident, tap Send Now to complete the transfer. For added security, you might be asked for a two-factor authentication code. One of the biggest advantages of sending crypto directly to another Coinbase user is the speed. These transfers are often instant. Furthermore, Coinbase typically does not charge fees for transfers between its users, meaning more of your crypto reaches its intended destination. This method provides a secure and efficient way to move digital assets within the Coinbase ecosystem, offering convenience and cost savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.